In this video I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook password on both Android and iPhone. Let's start with Android first. Now, on Android you can't directly see your Facebook password inside the app. First of all, open your settings. Scroll down. And go to Privacy. Tap on it. Now scroll down again. And tap on Autofill Service from Google. Here, you'll see the option for Google Password Manager, just tap on it. On the next page, simply search for Facebook and tap on it. Here, all of your Facebook accounts saved with their passwords will be listed. And if you want to see the password, just tap on the little I button, and that's it, you'll be able to view any of your account passwords. Now let's move to iPhone. On iPhone, you need to open the Google Chrome browser. Then, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. A pop-up window will appear. From here, click on Password Manager. On the next page, it will reveal all of your saved passwords. All you need to do is simply search for Facebook, open it up, and right there, you'll see all of your Facebook account passwords. So that's how you can easily check your Facebook password, whether you're using Android or iPhone.